How are you? My name's Trip, and welcome to the very first Mindset Mondays. The purpose of these videos going forward is to provide you with an actionable idea, some kind of thought that's going to change your present beliefs or ideas. So I'm probably going to be challenging you a bit in these videos, but stick with me because what I think it's going to allow you to do is look at things maybe a little bit differently. Again, challenge some of the things you're thinking. And I want to try and provide you with something new, something different, something that's going to be profitable for you and your business. Now, today's topic is customers. Now, listen, we all need customers in our business, but how do you view your customers? And here's the challenging part. Should you change that? Because here's a fact. The hardest thing to do is to get someone to buy from you the first time. Now, that's the fact, but here's the thing. Do you put enough effort into ensuring that that customer who's bought from you that first time never wants to do business with one of your competitors ever? Only wants to do business with you for what it is that you offer them. Do you put enough effort into that? And if you don't, why not? Because if you don't put a lot of effort into that, you're losing money. There's another fact. The question is, how much are you losing? You could say I'm asking you to go kind of above and beyond, but a lot of other businesses do that. For instance, Trader Joe's. There was an 89-year-old man. He didn't have any food. His daughter contacted a bunch of different stores to deliver, but only Trader Joe's did that. They agreed to deliver, and in fact, they didn't charge for the delivery at all. The Ritz-Carlton, pretty big established hotel chain, a family left their son's stuffed giraffe behind. To ease the child's worry, the staff took pictures of the giraffe in various parts of the hotel, and they put a booklet of images together and sent the pictures as well as the giraffe back to the family. Went above and beyond. JetBlue, a passenger tweeted they missed the Starbucks coffee before getting on the flight. The JetBlue staff saw the tweet and delivered a Starbucks coffee to him while he sat in his plane seat. Morton's Steakhouse, famous steakhouse, a customer jokingly tweeted that Morton's should deliver a steak to him at the airport. I guess you probably know where I'm going with these situations. Sure enough, when he got off the plane, there was a full steak dinner waiting for him. I mean, these are situations of folks going above and beyond. And it's not just big businesses. I've experienced this. There's a restaurant near me. One time my wife wasn't feeling well and we decided to just get takeout. She called, placed an order. When I got there, I mean, listen, we're good customers of theirs. They know us there. When I got there to pick up the food, lo and behold, the person who is the manager there said, he noticed that my wife from the phone call wasn't feeling well. So they put in a free bowl of soup, chicken soup, so hopefully she would feel better. Now, all these different situations, like we had talked about earlier, they're really now checkmating the competition. That guy who had the steak delivered to him at the airport, when he's going out for a steak dinner, he's not trying somebody else. He's not going to somebody else. The Ritz-Carlton, that is now, when that family goes on vacation, there's only one one hotel that they're going to go to. Trader Joe's. Who's that family's go-to grocery store now? Can you see how these things can have a powerful impact? Now let's talk about how you, and most importantly, you with your staff's help, can make customers feel like they're special. Because if you do make folks feel special, what happens is that feeling gets mirrored back onto you and your business. So you've made that customer feel special, and now you are special to that customer. It's a true win-win situation. So some things you might be able to do is, occasionally give some free merch to a great customer. And you do it in a way where you go, gosh, you know what? We got these shirts in. I saw this shirt and I just thought of you because you love this beer. hand that off to them. They know now that you recognize what they like about your business and you just gave them that gift. Man, you're cementing creating a great customer for yourself. When someone buys merch, have some either stickers, a keychain, or anything else to just throw in for free. That's that concept of over delivering. Over delivering today is a critical thing, and customers respond tremendously when you do that. You want to work with your staff, create a specific buyback type of a system. One of the things I see going from craft brewery to craft brewery is there's not a buyback system that I see regularly used. Folks who are regular customers who come in and have multiple drinks and bring people with them, you should be providing them with, if it's not a beer buyback, at least some sort of food, something to show your appreciation. Because if you do that, you'll cement your business in their mind as the only place to go. Other ideas could be something like involving some patrons, some more customers in new beer development. Ask them questions. Someone gives you some good ideas and are really into it. Maybe even name the beer after them or incorporate their picture on the can. Something to make them feel special. Because guess what? That happens with someone. You are their go-to place. That's done. That's a fact. When you collect emails, oh, and you should be collecting emails. If you're not, I've got a video. I'll put it at the end of this, but make sure you're collecting emails and also get birthdays and make a huge deal about folks on their birthday. Um, Now, to wrap this video up, you now, today, it's the end of 2024 when I'm making this video, and 2025 is literally right around the corner. You've got to make your customers feel special and unique. You need to bend over backwards to show them how much you appreciate them. And this effort that you're putting in, if there's an expense tied to it, the expense that you're spending, I promise you, it will be well worth it from a time and expense standpoint, because this is what you're doing when you make this extra special move towards people who are good customers. You're creating customers for life, and the value of a lifetime customer is enormous. So go ahead, implement this now in your business. If you've got other ideas, listen, I try and be clear and honest on these videos. I don't have all the answers. I do provide, I think, some value. And I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you did, please do me a favor, like it and subscribe. That helps other folks find me and my channel, and I'd appreciate that from you. But if you've got other ideas, put them down in the description, because I'd love to learn from you, and other folks would as well. And there's going to be a lot more videos like this every Monday. This is Mindset Mondays. And cheers. Here's to your success.